Hello everyone.
Happy January 23rd. Today we celebrate handwriting, pies, and the joy of creativity and flavor. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Handwriting Day. A salute to penmanship and personal expression. A great gift could be a calligraphy set, a personalized notebook, or a fountain pen. Do you still write by hand? Let's script the comments. It's National Pie Day. A delicious celebration of sweet and savory pies. A thoughtful gift could be a pie baking kit, a gourmet pie sampler, or a festive pie dish. What's your favorite pie? Let's slice into the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's Measure Your Feet Day. A quirky reminder to check your shoe size. A sweet gift could be a shoe measuring tool, a new pair of sneakers, or a foot care kit. When's the last time you measured yours? Let's step into the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 21st to 25th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.